Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Rosita. Today I'm back with another unboxing video and I am not really happy with this one. If you've seen my last video, I was unboxing some diffusers or humidifiers that I got from Temu. This one was attached to this one. If you want to see that video, check out the list and it's there. This package, I'm not sure if this was on customs part or my logistics company's part. However, when they cut the package, they cut through the box. So I'm gonna get in there and see what's going on with this diffuser, humidifier, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, this one was, I think it was $6, I think. If I'm not right about that, the correct price will be on the screen. They just sliced right through the box. Hopefully nothing is damaged. These are on sale. So I got this one and another one, and I jumped at the opportunity to get this particular humidifier because it was so cheap, and I'm stuck. That is pretty wrapped up in there. Pull it off gently. Okay, so they sliced like exactly through the side of it. That's the side. Crap. So this is the one. I think they sent me the wrong one. This is not the one I ordered. The one I ordered was a floral one. So this is the wrong thing. I got the wrong thing. They sent me, I don't think this is the correct one. It's even upside, it's on its side. This is not the right one. So I got the remote. This is a similar one, but it's not the right one. The one I ordered, I'm going to show you guys a picture of the one I ordered. This is a remote. I think it has, yeah, it does have batteries in there, I think. This is the plug. It's the right size, but it's not the one I ordered. It's the right color, but it's not the one I ordered. The one I ordered was super prettier, and I'm already disappointed. But this will work. Like, I would want this one, but it's not the one I ordered. It's the same color, but the top of it is has the floral design. And it's supposed to come with essential oils. These are the oils. This came with six oils. And this is the manual, and it feels like something is leaking. I guess it was a pretty good idea for them to put them inside. This is supposed to be 550 ml. This doesn't look like it can fit 550 ml. These are leaking. I'm hoping that none of them are cracked. I can feel the oil. I can smell it on the yeah, they're leaking. So I got peppermint. The smaller, cheaper one was in a better condition. I got lemongrass.
You got lavender?
I got lavender. That's my son helping me out. I got sweet orange. I got mint, leaf, and orange in the other one. And this is eucalyptus. This would be good for my sinuses. And this is tea tree oil. And it says it's 100% natural ingredients. And it's therapeutic grade. These are some great fragrances that I would use, but I'm disappointed that I didn't get the right one, the one that I wanted. So I'm gonna have to go back and order that from maybe a different seller, because I don't want to take the chance and order this again and they send me back another one of these. I wanted this for my room. I'm probably gonna have to put this one in my son's room because it matches his color schemes. So I'm gonna have to get another one for my room, the one that I actually wanted. And that one was like maybe almost $5,000 in my currency here when I saw it in the store. That's why I jumped at the opportunity to get it. But I'm still grateful that I got this one for the price. Okay guys, so enough of that. I am going to plug this in, get some water in there, and test it. Hang on. Okay guys, so I just flipped this over. I just flipped it over to see if I need to add anything. And I just noticed this big scratch on the bottom of it. Thankfully it's on the bottom. But it did get damage, well, scratched from that cut that they cut the box. This was my most. I'm trying to see if there's any cut on the bag. Oh yeah, right here. It's a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna hook them. I'm gonna get the water in. I'm gonna read the instructions first just to see if I need to do anything, because I don't want to get electrocuted. Okay, so air outlet, drainage outlet. That's maintenance. Okay. Okay, plug in DC adapter. AC adapter. And then you add water. It doesn't use hot water. Too hot water not available. Do not add water to the tank with maximum value when used. Do not add water. These Chinese instructions, bro. Okay, I'm gonna try to get this hooked up and power her on. Okay guys, so we just plugged it in and it just beeped, so I guess that's a good thing. I dropped some of this in there and it's foaming. I'm not a essential oil pro, but is oil supposed to be foamy? Anyway, I got the water in. I'm just gonna put this on.
I think you're supposed to screw.
No, there's nothing to screw on there. Oh, you're supposed to lock it. Am I? Am I a moron?
I think so.
You didn't. I guess that's where it's supposed to be. Light. Let me see the light option. That's the light option. That's pretty. I may keep this one for myself after all.
No. See, you can change light blue.
Green, I like the green.
Yellow, orange, blue.
That's white.
Yeah. That's
Alright, so let's
I guess.
Just try the mist. I just put it on mist.
there's big.
Let me see
slash
the.
small.
So this is ideal for bigger rooms. I don't really smell the oil.
I actually smell it right now.
Okay, see, so these are the options on the remote. You can, that's a timer that you can get it on and off. Continuous, and there's a timing. I'm not sure how you would determine the timer. You have the big. What did I do? I did something.
You turned it off.
All right, turn it back on.
Big.
So I have it on big. Right now, I'm gonna try small. Oh, that's, ooh,
This is
that's big.
and small is like.
These are the light options. To change the lights.
Oh, you could multicolor. I think there's a blue right here.
So I guess this is a 10 out of 10 for me. Disappointed that I didn't get the one that I want, but it's just as good. It's just not the design that I wanted. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.